G'day guys, Craig here from White Magic, here to introduce to you our brand new White Magic Spray Mop Ultimate Floor Cleaning Set. So what do you get in the bundle? You get a professional grade handle, you get 40 cleaning sheets, you get a cleaning comb, and you get 6 mop heads. Let me take you through it. This handle, professional grade, lightweight aluminium, won't rust, won't bend, won't crack. Big 580 ml bottle that you fill with water just from your sink. This helps you to create basically a mop and bucket in one. Simply hit the trigger, water sprays out, mop over the floor. We throw in a cleaning comb. The cleaning comb has 2 functions. It's got these little rubber bristles here, which help to loosen sticky residue like stickers and whatnot on the floor, so the mop heads can take them out. And it's also got a cleaning comb. This cleaning comb is perfect for removing loose debris on top of your mop heads, so you can clean longer before washing them. We are also throwing in 40 of these cleaning sheets. These cleaning sheets are a brand new way of delivering eco-chemicals. Basically, everything you need here to clean your floor is in this wafer-like sheet. All you do is dissolve it in the water, has a beautiful lemon myrtle smell, gives you a antibacterial finish, and it helps to loosen dirt as you mop your floor. For the mop heads, we give you 6, not just 1, we give you 6. You get 2 of the wet heads. These wet heads are like thirsty camels in the desert. They absorb big liquid spills all over the floor. Machine washable hundreds of times. Blue one, great for general cleaning. Red one, perfect for bathroom cleaning. This just helps to avoid cross-contamination if we give you different colors, so you know which one to use in which area. The dry ones, they're using electrostatic energy to attract and hold dry particles like hair, dust, dander. You've got the tassels that get the hair, and you've got the finer fibers for the smaller debris. Then a brand new idea. Anyone who knows my brand, White Magic, knows we've been selling the White Magic sponge for 25 years to do a deep clean of things like your walls and your shower glass. How about having the White Magic sponge on a mop head? This enables you to give your floor the deep clean that you've been using the White Magic sponges for everywhere else. These fibers are 10,000 times finer than a human hair, so they can penetrate into the surface grooves of a tile, timber, polished concrete, vinyl floor, where fatter fibers like cotton, nylon, even microfibre can't get down to get them. The White Magic will give your floor a regenerative clean, and it'll get rid of all that in-ground dirt that's been building up because the mop fibers couldn't get down to pick them out. So, quick summary, you get 2 White Magic heads, White Magic sponge heads, 2 dusting heads, 2 wet heads, 40 cleaning sheets, cleaning comb, and a professional grade spray mop. Hope you enjoy.